Hello, English learners. Welcome back to the English Insight Podcast, your warm, friendly place to learn English through real conversations. I'm Sarah, and I'm really glad you're here with us today.
Hey everyone, I'm Daniel. It's so good to have you with us again. Whether you're listening in the morning, late at night, or during a quiet break, this moment is just for you.
In this podcast, we don't use complicated grammar, and we don't try to sound perfect. We focus on real English.
English you can hear in class, in the hallway, or while talking with a classmate after school.
And today's episode is special. It's a warm, friendly, very human conversation.
Yes, it's a conversation between two classmates. No pressure, no stress.
So if you're a beginner, just listen and enjoy. If you're intermediate, listen and repeat. And if you're advanced, notice the natural rhythm and feeling.
Think of it like this. You're sitting in a classroom before the lesson starts. Two classmates are talking quietly. You're listening.
And through that listening, your English grows.
So before we begin, like this episode, follow the podcast, share it with a friend, and leave a comment. We love hearing from you. So, Sarah, class just finished. That was a long lesson. How are you feeling right now?
Honestly, a little tired, but also kind of happy. I feel like I understood more than last week.
That's great. Understanding more is a big win. What helped you today?
I think it was the speaking practice. Talking with classmates feels scary at first, but then it becomes comfortable.
Yes, I feel the same. At the beginning, my heart beats fast, and my mind goes blank.
Exactly. You know the words, but they hide somewhere.
They run away.
But then, something nice happens. You make a mistake, and nothing bad happens.
Yes, no one laughs. No one gets angry. People just listen.
That's when confidence grows. Not from being perfect, but from trying.
By the way, how do you usually study after class?
I like to review slowly. I listen to podcasts like this one. Sometimes I repeat sentences out loud.
Out loud? Even when you're alone?
Yes, especially when I'm alone. It feels strange at first, but it helps my mouth learn English.
Ah, muscle memory. Your mouth needs practice too.
Exactly.
Do you remember your first day in class?
Oh no. Yes, I was so nervous.
You didn't say a single word.
Hey, that's not true. I said, hello.
True. A powerful hello.
But look at us now. We're talking easily. That change feels good.
You know, many learners think confidence comes first. But I think confidence comes after action.
Yes, you speak first, confidence follows later.
So if you're listening now, and you feel shy, this message is for you.
You're doing better than you think. Every sentence matters. Every try counts.
So let's stop here for today. Take a deep breath.
Thank you for sharing this time with us. We're proud of you.
This was the English Insight Podcast.
See you in the next episode.
Until then, keep listening, keep speaking, and keep believing in yourself.